Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Saishan Malayalam. So many of you have requested for making this video. So in this video, I'm going to give you the glimpses about IIITH UGEE. That is nothing but IIIT Hyderabad Undergraduate Engineering Entrance Exam. So this is for 2021, and so this exam is nothing but is an entrance exam for dual degree courses in IIIT Hyderabad. So without taking much time, let us know more about this exam. So Stello. Unacademy is going to conduct a biggest India test series, that is USAT Unacademy Scholarship Assessment Test. So every Sunday at 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. So you can give your test every Sunday at 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. So to unlock that exam, use my code CharanYT and you can enroll it for free. So about the test, so the tests are for Target 2021, Target 2022, Target 2023. So based on your class, you can choose that one, and there are separate tests for each and every rank. So after exam, you will be given score and all India rank, and also detailed analysis. And if you perform well in this exam, so you will be given a 1 crore worth scholarships. And so these are the details about the scholarships. So based on your rank, you will get the scholarships. And so how to enroll? So there is a link in the description. Click that and use my code CharanYT and enroll for free. And so this is the syllabus for class 11th and 12th, Target 2021. So those who are writing 2021, you can use this. And for Target 2022, use this. So this is the syllabus, and this is the syllabus for 9th, 10th class students, that is for Target 2023. So for more details, you can check my description. I will leave this PDF in the description. Don't forget to register through my code, that is CharanYT. IIIT Hyderabad. So IIIT UGEE exam glimpses. So talking about institutes, so this exam is only entrance exam for IIIT Hyderabad. So if you see the programs here, so programs and number of seats given through this exam is mentioned here. So ECD, that is nothing but BTech course, that is ECE course with Master of Science by Research. So you will get, as I said, dual degrees. So you will get BTech plus MS, and that is ECD 25 seats, CSD 30 seats, CLD 15 seats, CND 15 seats, CSD 12 seats. So you can see computer science, computational linguistics, computer science, computational natural sciences, computer science, computing and human sciences, and CSD is computer science and engineering, and computer science and engineering MS. So these are the departments, and these are the courses they are going to give if you give your best in this exam. So take a screenshot of this. So next comes eligibility. What is the eligibility criteria for giving this exam? So class 12 or equivalent qualify exam with aggregate of 60% marks in maths, physics, chemistry. Okay, you should have at least 60% aggregate marks in all the 3 subjects individually. The syllabi for SUPR and REAP are based on class 11th and 12th level of physics, maths, chemistry. So this level will be same, CBSE and most of the state syllabi. So however, REAP will have emphasis on testing critical and creative thinking abilities. So in the next slide, I will be showing you the exam pattern. So you will be having 2 papers. One is SUPR and another is REAP. So REAP will test the critical and creative thinking of the applicant. That is nothing but so it will test your critical and creative thinking, and sample papers are available for SUPR and REAP. So I will leave those links in the description. You can once check that. And this is the exam pattern. So applications in this mode need to appear for computer based CBT exam, undergraduate entrance, UGEE, and conducted by IIIT Hyderabad. The exams are in 2 sections, as I said, 2 papers. One paper is for 60 minutes and another paper is for 120 minutes. SUPR, subject proficiency test, that is for 60 minutes, and REAP, that is 120 minutes. This is research aptitude test, and official sample paper links are in description, so please do check out that. And application process. So you need to register online by filling application form, which is totally online, and appear for the exam when the dates are announced. So application fee is 2000, and which is non-refundable. So if you cancel the application also, they are not going to refund you that amount back. And at present for UGEE 2021, the link is open. That means application form is open now, and I will also leave that official website link also in the description. And the deadline for the application is 10th May, and still I guess 20 to 25 days. That's it. So still 20 to 25 days left for the application form. Do fill out as soon as possible. And exam date is 2nd June as of now. So don't know whether it postponed or not. So as of now, the exam dates are 2nd June. And everything will be notified on my channel, and do consider subscribing, and do also share for all those who required this video. And hope you all love this video. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.